Hello, and welcome back to English Elevator. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Liza. In this episode, we're going to talk about a very special topic, family.
Let's start with some basic family words. Mother, mom, father, dad, brother, sister, grandmother, grandma, grandfather, grandpa, uncle, aunt, cousin, husband, wife, son, daughter.
Very good. Listen and repeat with us. Here are some simple sentences to talk about your family. I have one brother and two sisters. My mom is a teacher. My dad is very kind. I live with my parents. My grandma is 70 years old.
Try using I have, my, and there are to describe your family. Let's practice. I'll ask you questions, and you answer. How many people are in your family? Do you have any brothers or sisters? What does your father do?
Great job. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. Just keep speaking and practicing.
Today, you learned how to talk about your family in English.
Yes, use these words and sentences in real life, with a friend or in your own daily practice. With a friend or in your own daily practice.
Subscribe for more fun English lessons.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Bye!